What's going on, everybody? Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out your cabin air filter in your 2021 F-150. First thing you want to do is come over to your glove box, open this up, and remove any items you have sitting in here, because we're going to actually pull this whole thing out of the truck. But in order to do that, there's going to be a tab on each side of the box that you push in. And when you push both of these little stops in, it allows the box to tip forward a little bit further. So you can kind of see right here where I was pushing. But once you've done that, you can just pop this thing forward and it'll unclip from the hinges and we can move this out of the way. Now, reaching in here, you'll see that there's this plastic honeycomb panel and the filter actually sits right behind this. So it's super simple to get to. Just pop the clips on both sides and it'll lean forward. And then there's two tabs at the bottom that slot in. So just kind of wiggle it backward, pull it out, and now you can see our filter sitting right in here. Now grab your new cabin air filter and you're just going to slide it into the lower portion of this little air box. Push it all the way back, and you do want to make sure that the airflow is going the right direction through the filter. So here it needs to be pointed downward. Then grab your little plastic cover and we're just going to slide in the two tabs at the bottom, push it forward, make sure it clicks on both sides, and that's good to go. Now you can grab your glove box, bring it back down, and we're going to pop it onto the hinges here at the bottom. And if you line it up and kind of push forward, you'll feel it sort of click into place, and you can see when this one's sitting on it. Then lift up, those little tabs will just automatically push past. Now it should be good to go. You can give it a quick test just to make sure it opens properly, and we should be good to go.